craft is not about getting all the materials every other day, but it is also about trying something from the waste thing. So this is wedding season in our area, so there are mini cards in my home. So I thought let's make card out of this wedding card. So after drawing pattern on the paper, I will also make a bouquet. So I have kept the drawing very easy so that everybody can follow. So the main thing you need for this craft is double-sided tape. Stick your double-sided tape on the bouquet and then stick it to the card, and then you can add your flowers. And that's it, your beautiful card is ready.